In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Shopify account. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or you've been running one for a while, ensuring your Shopify account is verified is key to maintaining the security and functionality of your business. Let's walk through the process step by step. First up, we need to navigate to Shopify. Simple enough, right? Just open your preferred web browser and type in Shopify's URL or perform a quick search for Shopify. This will direct you to their official website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option. Click on this to proceed. This step is where you'll input your credentials, but hang tight, we're not there just yet. After selecting login, you'll be prompted to enter your shop's unique name or your email in the highlighted field. This step is crucial because it helps Shopify identify your account among the millions of other users. So make sure you input the correct details that are associated with your account. Next, you'll see an option that says continue with email. This is exactly what you want to click on. It's important to select this option as it will direct you to enter your account's email address, hence taking you one step closer to verifying your account. Following this, Shopify gives you the option to choose an account if you have multiple accounts associated with your email or Google, choose the account you wish to verify, or the one associated with the store you're currently managing. Alright, moving along. Once you've navigated through selecting your account, your next destination is My Store. Here you should see a snapshot of your store's dashboard. It's kind of like the command center for your Shopify account. Now for a tiny but crucial detail, your store name. Here Shopify displays the name of your store as a visual confirmation that you're managing the correct store. It's always good to double check this to prevent any mix-ups if you operate more than one Shopify store. Once you've confirmed that, it's time to click on Manage Account. This option will take you to a new page where you can view and edit various account details. This is where the magic happens in terms of verification. Now take a moment to look at your email address listed in your account details. If it's not verified, there will be an indicator prompting you to update it. This is Shopify's way of ensuring the email associated with your account is valid and accessible by you. It's a safety measure that also ensures you don't miss out on crucial communications from Shopify. If you need to update or verify it, simply click on Update. This may seem like a small step, but it's significant for keeping your account secure and in good standing. After clicking Update, Shopify will ask for your password. This is a standard security measure to confirm it's actually you making changes to the account. Go ahead and enter your password. Remember, it's always best to use a strong, unique password for each online account you have to maintain optimal security. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only navigated to the necessary section of your Shopify account, but also ensured that your email is verified. This verification is a simple yet crucial step in maintaining the overall health and security of your online store. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to keep in mind. First, always ensure that the information associated with your Shopify account is current and correct. This includes not just your email, but your phone number and address too. Secondly, consider enabling two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. Thanks for following along as we walked through the process of verifying your Shopify account. Whether you're laying the groundwork for your new business or dotting the I's and crossing the T's on your existing store, keeping your account verified is essential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more straightforward guides and tips. See you in the next video.